This is our week 1 update. My name is Professor Zilke, and every week I'm going to be making one of these videos to let you know what is coming up and everything that you need to know. This week you have assignments due on Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is Unit 1, Block 1, and Sunday is Unit 1, Block 2. An important reminder that in week 2, I will be dropping students who are not keeping up with the assignments to avoid having to give them a W or an F later on in the semester. So if you are keeping up with the assignments, you don't need to worry about this. But if you have not completed blocks 1 and 2 fully by February 17th, you will be dropped. So just keep that in mind. Again, if you are keeping up with the assignments, this is not going to be an issue, but if you are behind, make sure that you have blocks 1 and 2 fully complete by the 17th. Since this is the first week of class, I always like to go over some frequently asked questions that I get for those newer students who may have not taken a Canvas course before. So, just going over them. First, for any assignments, you'll need to click the Start Assignment button at the top of the page. It's red. Click on that, and then you will get options for submitting the assignment. 2, to edit a Google Doc assignment, which you will get a lot of for this class, don't ask me for permission to edit. Instead, go up to File and make a copy, and then it'll save a copy to your own Google Docs, and you'll be able to edit it. And then finally, when you're submitting that completed Google Doc assignment that you edited on your own Google Doc account, you're going to choose the Google Drive tab option and sign into your account in order to submit it. There's also a file option, which you would usually use for like a Word doc or a PDF, but for a Google Doc assignment, you actually want to go to the Google Drive tab, otherwise it won't let me open it. So Google Doc assignments need to be submitted through the Google Drive tab, and you will sign into your own account. So I like to use these check-in videos as a way to go over any assignments that you're going to be doing over the next week that might be a little bit confusing. So right now for blocks 1 and 2, I would say most of these assignments are pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions about them, you can always ask, but I think most of these are not going to give you any trouble. The only assignment that I think might have some questions are the last assignment in Block 2, which is Introduction to Visual Media and Student Introduction assignment. So this is going to be our first video that I'm going to have you make. And so I want to go over that for those of you that have never done this before and might be worried about it, and kind of explaining what my expectations are and, exactly what you're going to be doing here. So if you go to that assignment, it looks like this. So there is a little video on why we're doing this, why visual media is important, especially in English, and then you are going to go down to the actual assignment itself. So this assignment is just a mini video, and what you're going to do is introduce yourself, tell me about your name, you're going to tell me 5 facts about you, and then at the end you're going to have a conclusion card with 1 word that you think best describes you. So very low stakes, it's not that big of a deal, it's just a way for me to get to know you a little bit better, and then you'll also be posting it on a discussion board so that your classmates can also get to know you a little bit better. So again, very low stakes, it's just a way to kind of get to know each other and practice making videos when when it's a little bit less scary and overwhelming. So for this video, you have some options. So if you've never used any video editing software ever, you're completely new to it, I recommend using Wondershare Filmora. It is a free program that you can download. The website kind of looks like this. It's just going to have you make a free account, and then you'll be able to download either a version for your tablet or a version for your Mac or your PC. So they've got everyone covered. And then from there, you'll be able to start making your video. I have a tutorial down here of exactly how to make the video using this program. So I'm not going to go into that right now, but you definitely watch this. If you're someone who makes videos already, maybe you're on TikTok or you're on YouTube or whatever it is, use whatever editing software you feel comfortable with. I don't care. The free stuff is great, but if you already pay for something, by all means you can use it. If you have a program that you love that you already have on your tablet or your phone, use that. This is just for those of you that don't really know where to start. So yes, you're going to make your video, make sure that you have all of these requirements covered, and then you are going to put it on this discussion board. I have 5 facts about me here so you can kind of see what a finished product is going to look like. When you're embedding your video, it is really important that if you are going to upload it onto YouTube and embed it from there, that you are going to switch to HTML. So what that looks like is, wait, how do I do this? Yeah, reply, sorry. Go to reply. This is where you're going to be posting your video, and then you're going to want to switch to the HTML editor down here, and once you do that, you can put your embed code. If it's not an embed code, if it's just like a link to the video, then you can just do the regular one, but just be aware of that. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, that should be it for the week, and I will talk to you guys next week. Throughout the semester, I like to offer these extra credit opportunities either through the weekly updates or through Run 9. So definitely keep up with both of those. So this week in the comments, I want you to take 5 to 10 sentences and tell me how your first week is going. So first, what preparation did you do coming into this week? So this could be anything from, maybe you took it easy at work this week, maybe you did some meal prep, maybe you had to find babysitters, whatever it is. What did you have to do to be ready for the first week of classes? What are any unexpected surprises or challenges that have come up this week? So these can be positive or negative. And then what responsibilities are you balancing outside of school? So what are the things that you're having to kind of figure out how to manage now that you have, classes starting again? This opportunity will last from February 3rd to the 8th. After that, you won't be able to get points, so make sure to submit it before then. I hope everyone has a great first week of classes. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I will check in with you guys in week 2.